Prosecutors are looking into what former President Donald Trump has been doing in politics. This investigation started because a study by Open Secrets found out that he gave more than $44 million to lawyers and law firms. These lawyers are helping people who might be witnesses or co-defendants in his ongoing legal problems since 2020, according to a report released on Friday, September 22, 2023. This big amount makes up about half of all the money spent on legal stuff during that time. The money that Trump's political group gave to lawyers and law firms who are helping people linked to the former president's legal problems has made some people worried that they might be trying to influence or intimidate witnesses. Trump has a history of trying to influence witnesses, and this adds to the worries. There have been instances in the past, like during Robert Mueller's Russia investigation and his first trial, where he was accused of doing this. Now, there are more legal cases, including one in Fulton County, Georgia, where Trump and 18 others are accused of interfering in an election. In this case, some of the people who might be witnesses have lawyers paid by Trump's political group. Recently, government court records from September 15 were made public, and they show that Trump's actions, like paying for the legal fees of potential witnesses against him, might be seen as an attempt to interfere with the legal process. The special counsel's office expressed its worries, saying that this pattern strongly supports the district court's decision that the former president is a significant risk. They believe he might try to interfere with evidence, intimidate witnesses, and pose a serious threat to ongoing government investigations. Trump is facing accusations of trying to tamper with witnesses in several ongoing cases. In a notable incident in August, an important potential witness in the Mar-a-Lago maintenance case changed their earlier false statement. This happened because the Justice Department was worried about a possible conflict of interest with their initial lawyer, who was representing both the witness and another person involved in the case. The witness' name is Tavares. A data specialist who works at Mar-a-Lago was previously represented by a lawyer named Stanley Woodward. Woodward's law firm received $376,000 from Trump's political group. Woodward also represents other potential witnesses, like Mar-a-Lago employee Walt Nauta and individuals such as Ryan Samsel, who was involved in the January 6 riot, and Kelly Meigs. Additionally, Woodward's firm has represented former White House advisor Peter Navarro, who was charged on September 7 for not complying with subpoenas issued by the U.S. House Select Committee investigating the January 6 attack on the U.S. Capitol. These concerns are not limited to just one law firm. Several other law firms have also represented Navarro and received payments from Trump's political group. Trump's political organization has directed approximately $130 million in donations to cover legal costs since he first ran for president, with over $50 million of that amount spent since the beginning of 2022. While Trump's 2024 presidential campaign is most directly associated with him, his political activities also involve his leadership team and fundraising committees, as well as super PACs run by his supporters.